Hello, this is Dr. Huston from Ranicki Chiropractic, and today I want to go over some stretches for your low back. And what I'm talking about is this area right through here. So one of the first things I want you to do in the morning before you get out of bed is laying flat on your back, bring one leg up to your chest, hold it for 7 to 10 seconds, and then do the other leg 7 to 10 seconds. And then each day add a couple seconds till you get up to where you're doing 15 to 20 seconds every day. And then once you do each leg, then do both and hold that for 10 to 15 seconds, and then get to where you're doing that for 15 to 20 seconds as well. That will help stretch the ligaments, and then once you get up out of bed, those first couple steps every day are going to be a little bit easier. The next one I want to go over is from sitting a lot, the adductors, or the muscles on the inside of our thighs, get really sore. So what you do with that is put your hands on a kitchen countertop, put your feet double shoulder width apart. You're going to drop down diagonally back into the side so you feel a pull on the inside of your leg. You're going to hold that for 15 to 20 seconds, and then do the same thing on the opposite side for 15 to 20 seconds. You don't want to bounce or go to a point of pain, but basically do it to where you feel a pull, and then add a couple seconds until you're doing it 30 seconds on both sides. And that will really do a good job of helping through the hips. The next one I want to go over is called the piriformis. It's a muscle right here, and this muscle turns your foot out. A lot of us, when we walk, we have a tendency to turn our feet out when we walk, and you can get some really tight pain in there, and pain that even goes down the leg. So to help with that one, you get down on the floor, either have a blanket or a pillow, something like that on the floor, so don't put your knee flat on the floor. It's not going to feel very good. Put your hands on the floor just like so. You're going to take one leg and extend it out like this. You're going to cross it over at a diagonal, and then you're going to walk yourself backwards and a little bit in this direction. So some people need to go more this way. Some people go straight back, but what you're wanting to feel is a pull right here. If you feel a pull here or down here, that's not correct. You want it to feel here. And again, try to hold that for 20 to 30 seconds. If you can't hold it that long or it feels painful, come up just a little bit. But again, try to hold it for at least 10 to 15 seconds. And then you'll come up for a couple seconds, and then you can go right back down in and go a little bit deeper the second time, and obviously do the same thing on both sides. And that's a couple quick things that will help your low back to feeling better every day. Have a wonderful day.